All right, guys, I got another special one for you. 1986 Oldsmobile 442. If you know about the 442s, this was the last performance car Oldsmobile made. They made it due to the demise of the Hearst Olds. Hearst Performance wanted Oldsmobile to make another Hearst Performance model, but that was focused on the new front-wheel drive platform. So Doc Watson and Hearst Performance did make a 1988 Hearst Old commemorative edition that was a ground effects kit. Oldsmobile, rather, they went with the 442. And they came with the beefier 8.5 rear end. And they was built on the Cutlass Align platform, where the 1985 and 86 models was. The 1987 model was built on the less expensive Cutlass Supreme platform because they wanted to save costs and they was moving to the new front wheel drive platform. But this is a very iconic car because it's the last performance model Oldsmobile produced that utilized the old school muscle car formula. Body on frame construction, rear wheel drive. That's what makes Gbody so special. She absolutely beautiful. And she is LS swapped. Somebody did a nice job on this LS swap, guys. Bucket seats, console, T-tops. Dash in great shape. That's how you want to buy your Gbody, guys. She beautiful, guys. I'll start it up for y'all here in a second. This is why the GM Gbody platform is one of the best platforms ever created. It's the most versatile. You can put just about any engine in there that you want. Me personally, I would have put like a 400 or a 425 Olds or a 455 Oldsmobile in here. And it would have worked perfect with the 442 theme. You know, 442 originally stood for 4-barrel carburetor, 4 on-the-floor transmission, and dual exhaust. And then in some years it meant 400 cubic inch engine, 4-barrel carb, and dual exhaust. But you know, a lot of guys say this is not a real 442 because they only had a 5-liter. But through the 80s decade, mostly all engines had a 5-liter from the big three, with the exception of like the Corvette and some other models, due to the corporate average fuel economy regulations. So they had to make engines with less cubic inches, so they could be more suited for EPA regulations, so they can pass smog and stuff. They didn't have the technology they got today, where they can make a LS 10-5 to 1 compression, and you have 300-400 horsepower, and it put out little to no emissions. It just wasn't the time. But this is a great platform to put any engine in that you want. And let's start her up. She got a 6.86 Pro Dash like I got in my Gbody. Running good, guys. That's how you want your LS swap to sound. Unfortunately, this one already sold, but this the type of cars Rolling Gems and Car Bar Atlanta deal in. Very, very nice Gbody. Y'all guys have a good one.